Daddy.
Hey, look at Dad. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we at? Who are we gonna see? Santa?
You get a picture?
Santa?
Yeah. Going to. Smile good. Asher, smile. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hello. Okay, you guys, my eyes are naked. I feel so like bare when I don't have mascara on. Speaking of mascara, okay, that is what today's video is gonna be about. So there's a couple like viral mascaras that everyone like is buying up on Amazon, and I really just kind of was curious because obviously like I have my mascaras that I like and that I use and everything, but you know, curiosity, you know what they say, killed the cat, right?
Yeah.
I had to think, I'm like, wait, what was that saying? So I'm actually going to be trying out and comparing a couple of these viral mascaras, okay? So one was like, I don't know, I think it's like $4, $5, $6, something like that. It's this, the brand is Essence, and it's Lash Princess. I don't know, I'm not sure. This is what it looks like, okay? It's got, this is like a clear like wrapper thing. It's got like the perforated thing here that I'll rip off and like actually show you what the tube looks like. But this one's super cheap and people were ranting about it, so I'm like, let's just try it. Let's just see. I'm curious. And then the other one that people were ranting about was one from Maybelline, okay? I used to use Maybelline back in the day. I'm like, okay, all right, let's try this. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. This is the packaging it comes in. It's called Sky High. Obviously, like it shows you a little picture here, what it does to the lashes, but you know, we'll see. So it looks like the brushes on these mascara, like the wands and everything, I feel like they're gonna be pretty different. So it's gonna be kind of hard to like compare them and be like, oh, like this one's better. But I think one would be better for like different looks, like depending on if you like more bold lashes or if you like more like length to them. So let's just get these a try and let's see. So let me go ahead and open these here, and I won't make you suffer through watching me open these. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got them open. That was a task. And I did look up the price. This one right here, this Lash Princess Lash Princess from Essence. This one is only $4.99. So, yeah, okay. So I took the other like wrapper thing off of it. It's like, it's a normal like feeling tube. It's like just this like finish. And then up here is actually kind of like a 3D finish. Don't judge me on my nails. I'm going to get them done tomorrow, so let's not talk about it, okay? But anyways, this is more like a like 3D, and it's like kind of rubbery, so it is kind of nice for like a grip, I guess. So let's go ahead and open this up and look at the wand. The wand looks like it's kind of cone shaped. Looks like a Christmas tree. And then, so it looks like the bristles look kind of more like, I guess, maybe not necessarily microfiber, but they're not like the silicone type thing either. They're more kind of like your traditional spoolie type. I don't know. I'm really bad at describing things. Sorry, guys. But anyways, that is what the wand looks like. I did get like it's black. I always use black mascara, so I'm always like, oh, it's a given, it's black. But I know people use brown mascara. I just am one that I like black mascara. So, but anyways, we're gonna give this one a try, and then this one here, the Sky High from Maybelline. So the Maybelline Sky High mascara, this one I paid, I think it was, let me see, $8.98, okay? And I ordered both of these off of Amazon because, you know, who wants to leave the house? So yeah, this one was about $9. It looked like the price kind of fluctuated depending on color, stuff like that, because it's Amazon and I don't know, whatever. But here is, so the tube is just kind of more of that, like, you know, just the slick plastic again. This is 3D on there. Oops, sorry guys. This is 3D on there where it says Sky High. And then wipe some of this excess off. This one is gonna be more of like your silicone type brush. And it actually looks very similar, like shape-wise, to the other one, except for the fact that it has, like, this one is silicone and the other one is more of like your traditional kind of like microfiber type brush. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting to try. I think my guess is that this one is gonna add a little bit more like boldness and thickness to the lashes, and this one is going to be more like natural and adding a little bit more length and getting a little bit more like separation. We'll see if I'm right. But all in all, we're just gonna have some good fun and we're gonna try out some mascaras. So first and foremost, I have to get my lash curler. You guys are gonna watch me like stab my eye out with this thing because I suck at curling my lashes. I always like pinch my eyelid or I do something crazy with my eyelash curler. But it really does help because you guys, these lashes, they are baby lashes and I have like nothing. So I'm not expecting like false lash like results from these or anything, but I just want to try them. But where's all my baby lash gals out there? Because anyone that I see that has like beautiful natural lashes, I always comment, I'm like, you have really pretty lashes. And yes, I'm probably that creepy when I say it. I just admire beautiful long lashes that are natural and you don't have to like glue lashes on. I've tried different serums, stuff like that, but you know, you can only do what you can do. Gotta work with what you got. You are seeing Tori in her natural habitat here. Tori needs to get out of the house. Okay, so I am going to try the Sky High one first, and I'm gonna do it on my right eye. Okay, I'm not gonna do any eyeliner, anything like that, because I just wanna see the mascara and what it looks like, okay? Because sometimes when you put eyeliner on there, it kind of like takes away from the lashes because you're hiding part of them with eyeliner. So you only see a little bit, especially my lashes, you only see a little bit that pop up above the eyeliner. So, no eyeliner, we're just gonna try this. I'm gonna curl my lashes here, and then we're gonna try a couple coats of that on this eye, okay? So, here we go. When I curl my lashes, I try to like get as close as I can to the base of them. So I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can see without me killing my eye. And then I just squeeze it a couple times. So it's probably a really good angle. And then I kind of move a little bit farther down on the lash. So I do it in a couple different places, okay? See, I've never been one to be able to like curl my lashes after I put mascara on. I've seen some people do it that way, but I'm like, oh, my lashes be looking like janky going every which way when I put mascara on and then try to curl them. I'm like, yeah, no. Okay, so let's just give this a try. When I put mascara on, ooh, that goes on nice. When I put mascara on, I like to kind of like blink into the wand just because I feel like, ow, I'm stabbing myself. Because I feel like it pushes, like it forces the hairs in between the bristles a little bit more and it kind of gets them coated better. I will say I like how skinny like the end of the wand is because then I feel like I can really get these inner corner ones and I kind of like to like brush them in the direction that like I want them to go. You gotta love a good mascara face. It's like, huh? You lying if you say that you don't make a mascara face when you're putting mascara on. Okay, so there's one coat, okay? I'm trying not to look up too much because I'm trying not to like make an imprint of lashes on there because it's not dry yet. So let's put a little bit of this on the lower lash line. See what we get. I always feel like I make a complete mess of my mascara when I'm working with my lower lashes. So I kind of will like wiggle it back and forth and then I pull it down the lashes. Like trying to wiggle the hairs in between the bristles. There's like nothing to my lower lashes, so I really gotta try to get those babies. So not a whole lot to it, right? So I'm gonna let this dry just a little bit here before I put my second coat on. All right, well, while we're waiting, this part of my hair is gonna be clipped up because it's driving me crazy. We are just gonna do this. We're gonna whip it, flip it. Yeah. It's fine, they're out of my face. All right, next coat, you guys. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just noticed that was making the craziest face. I'm trying to like get up close and personal so you guys can see this. Dang, okay. Okay, mama. Okay. Like for my little puny lashes, that's not bad. Mascara is one of those things that like, unless I wear like some of my like fake glasses or my blue light glasses, I don't actually wear, like I don't actually have prescription glasses or anything. I don't, thank the Lord, I don't need them. But yeah, like mascara is just one of those things like I have to have on. Otherwise I feel like people are like, are you okay? I'm like, fine, I just don't have mascara on. I'm fine. Okay, so there's 2 coats. It's not bad. It's honestly not bad. It's better than I was expecting it to be. Okay. All right. All right, moving on. Next eye. Okay, so they are like, it's more drying now. It's getting dry. I'm so good at describing things. So let's go ahead and curl these ones as well. And then we will try the, I keep forgetting the name of this one, Lash Princess from Essence. I know there are like multiple different colors of these. Like this one is like the greenish one that like, this was the one that was like most bought, I guess. When I went on Amazon, there was like thousands and thousands of people that bought this and left reviews, I will say. But then there were other ones. There's like a pink one, a purple one. I don't know if their names are different, anything like that. I didn't dive really that far into it. I just went with the one that had the most good reviews because I wanted to give it a try. Like I said, I just try to get a couple places on my lashes, get those suckers nice and curled up. I fixed my thing. I don't have a wing. So grabbing this one, I do kind of like to wipe off some of the product just so I'm not leaving like lines or anything. All right, they definitely like, obviously one is a silicone brush, the other one that I used, and this one is more of like that, you know, like the fiber brush. So they obviously are going to like feel different on the lashes. I feel like the Maybelline Sky High one like grabs onto the lashes a little bit better. Like that's initially how I'm feeling so far. Okay, so I definitely feel like I get more separation, like just like initially before I even start with my second coat, I feel like I get more separation with the Sky High one on this side, okay? So this one I feel like it might be more bold once I get the second coat on there, but let's do my lower lashes while I let the top ones dry a little bit. It is important, I feel like, to let your mascara dry enough in between coats, because if you try to do it too soon in between coats, then it starts getting gunky, and that's when your lashes are gonna like stick together, and that like pisses me off to no end. It's like a pet peeve of mine when my lashes start like sticking together. I'm like, and like I try to like separate them more with the wand and it never works. They just get more and more caked together and then I end up taking it off. So just saying. Okay, so getting these lower lashes here. I have to like work in different directions with my wand. I'm like over here to get in this corner, over here to get in this corner. All right, let's let this dry a little bit. So initial review, like obviously like you can see all the separation on this one. So I'm definitely like digging this one. Like if I were to just do mascara running out of the house, like I would probably grab this one. But let's let this dry a little bit and get a second coat and then we'll really get the review of it, I guess. My review. All right. Okay, so now that we've had a little bit of time to let this dry, let's go ahead and get a second coat on and see how this acts, shall we? Because these are more like compact bristles, I feel like it's harder to like really grab hold of the hair on the lashes. And I feel like that's why I felt like this one like grabbed onto them better, because it has that silicone ones where they were more spaced out and kind of like comb-like, where this one I feel like it just kind of like coats the lashes from an outer aspect and it doesn't really get the hairs like in between the bristles, if that makes sense. But I don't mind like the effect of it. It really is just going to be like personal preference and how you like your mascara to go on. Like if you want more of that like natural, just separated look, probably this one. Honestly, I actually like the bottom lashes. I like this mascara more for the bottom lashes. Like I'm that person that I would use like the Maybelline Sky High on the top and I would use this one on the bottom. Yeah. I'm a little extra, okay? I'm a little extra. It doesn't help that this eye, like my lashes, they have like a weird separation in them. I'm gonna try to just do one more little coat right on the inner corner here. Oh, I got mascara right there. Don't wipe that off right away. Like if you get mascara anywhere around your eyes, like anything, don't wipe it off right away because it's just gonna smear and then you're gonna get mad because then you got a big old black streak. Just leave it, let it dry, and then you take a spoolie with no product on it, like on a brush or something, and you scrape it off and it'll just like, it'll flake off. It's fine. It's fine. I didn't wait long enough in between that coat, and I knew I didn't. See, this is the weird gap in my lashes right there. Like, I feel like they split all the time, and I'm trying to like comb this side this way and this side this way to like close that gap, and it never works. I still just have like a weird gap right there. And just to show you guys here, after I let that dry, see, scrapes right off with a spoolie. What do we think? What do we think? Drop some comments. Which one do you guys prefer? I'll try to get up close and personal here. I feel like such a weirdo. Okay, here's my thought. Like, if it was this one or this one, honestly, I think I would go with this one. I would probably go with the Maybelline Sky High. Comparing the two here. This one's not bad, especially for only $4.99. It's really not bad, but I feel like lately I've been going for more like length. And so for that aspect of it, that is why I'm kind of leaning towards the Maybelline Sky High. And that one's only, I mean, like I said, it was like $8.90 something, so like $9, $10, something like that. I don't know. I just like the separation of that one. And I felt like it was really easy to get the lashes to like, I don't know, it was easy to get a hold of the lashes with the wand, if that makes more sense. Like I felt like this one, it was really hard to try to work my lashes like in between the bristles. I'm like, come on, get in there. So yeah, my review, like, this one's okay. It's okay. Like, I don't, the reviews that like ranted and raved about it, I'm not really feeling it that much. Like, it's all right. Like, if I had to grab something quick on the go, sure. Okay. But I do actually really like the Maybelline Sky High. So, yeah. We tried. I was going to say conquered, but that doesn't make any sense, so it's fine. Okay, so if you guys have any other suggestions for me on mascaras that you're just like obsessed with, let me know. I want to try them out. I want to see what they do for my little baby lashes, see if I like them, if I don't like them, like different things like that. Or if there's something that you're like dying to try and you want me to review, anything like that, drop some comments down below and we'll figure it out, okay? Because I've been wanting to like try some different dupes for things or try out different things, so let's just try some stuff, shall we? Anyways, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And we are going to have some fun new videos coming your way. So stay tuned and we will be talking to you soon. Bye, guys.